Welcome to MX World. Today we will teach you how to crimp RJ45 cable. Tools required for crimping. MX3002 Modular Crimping Tool. MX2245A RJ45 Connector. Step 1. Stripping the cable. Put the cable inside the tool and remove the outer covering of the cable, exposing the colored wires. Step 2. Separating the colored wires. Separate the colored pair of Step 3. Arranging the cables as per the diagram and leveling the rough edges. Step 5. Crimping the connector. Put the RJ45 connector inside the crimping tool and press the tool until the connector is properly crimped. Your RJ45 cable is ready.